I have a special story to share with you tonight, one that has been passed down through our family for generations. It's about a brave and beautiful girl named Abena, and a mysterious python with a secret. This tale, set in a village much like ours, is not just an adventure, but also a lesson about looking at what's inside a person's heart. So snuggle up close and let's travel together into this magical story where love and kindness reveal their true power. In a small village nestled between rolling hills and meandering rivers, there lived a farmer and his wife. They were blessed with a daughter, Abena, whose beauty was as radiant as the sun's first light. Her laughter was like a melody that harmonized with the bird song at dawn, and her kindness warmed the hearts of everyone in the village. As Abena grew, so did her beauty and charm, and soon young men from her village and the neighboring ones came seeking her hand in marriage. But Abena, with dreams as vast as the sky, refused them all. She often said, "I will marry only the best-looking man in the country, someone young and strong who can love me truly and deeply." News of Abena's beauty and her refusal to marry any local suitor spread far and wide, catching the attention of a powerful python living in the dense forest surrounding the village. This python was no ordinary creature. He possessed magical powers and could transform into any form he desired. Intrigued by the story of Abena, the python decided to transform himself into a tall, dark, and handsome man, the epitome of what Abena sought. He planned to win her heart and marry her, proving that even a python could be the best-looking man in the country. One bright morning, the transformed python, now a strikingly handsome man named Kwaku, walked into the village. His presence caused a stir. His tall frame, dark eyes, and charming smile captivated everyone, especially Abena. Kwaku introduced himself as a traveler from a distant land, and soon he became a regular sight in the village, helping the farmers, playing with the children, and sharing fascinating stories of his travels. Abena found herself drawn to this mysterious stranger, enchanted by his kindness and the wisdom in his eyes. As days turned into weeks, Abena and Kwaku grew closer. He would bring her exotic flowers from the forest and tell her stories under the moonlit sky. The villagers, seeing their growing affection, started believing that Kwaku was indeed the man Abena had been waiting for. One day, Kwaku asked Abena to marry him. Torn between her heart and the mysterious aura surrounding Kwaku, Abena sought advice from her parents. Her father, the farmer, said, "Abena, trust your heart. Love is a journey full of surprises." Her mother added, "But be cautious, my child. The eyes can be deceived. Look deeper." Abena spent a restless night under the stars, thinking about Kwaku's proposal. By dawn, she had made her decision. She would marry Kwaku, for her heart sang a joyful song whenever she was with him. Preparations for the wedding began, with the entire village buzzing with excitement. However, the night before the wedding, Abena had a vivid dream. In the dream, a gentle voice warned her, "Look beyond the surface, Abena. True love is not just about appearances." The next morning, Abena approached Kwaku with a request. "Before we marry, I wish to see you as you truly are, without any pretense." Kwaku, bound by the power of true love and Abena's request, revealed his true form as the python. The villagers gasped in shock and fear, but Abena, looking into the python's eyes, saw the same kindness and wisdom that had drawn her to Kwaku. She realized that love was not about external appearances but the connection of souls. Bravely, Abena announced, "I agreed to marry the best-looking man who could love me truly. I see now that true beauty lies within. I will keep my promise." The python, moved by Abena's acceptance and understanding, transformed back into the handsome Kwaku. But this time, the transformation was perfect and permanent. The spell was broken by Abena's unconditional love and acceptance. The wedding took place amidst joy and wonder, and Abena and Kwaku's love became a legend in the village. They reminded everyone that love transcends appearances and that the heart's choice is the purest form of truth. Years passed, and Abena and Kwaku lived a life full of love and happiness, equal sign, equal sign. Their story was told and retold, teaching generations the power of acceptance, the beauty of inner qualities, and the magic of true love. In the small village surrounded by hills and rivers, they proved that love is the most potent magic of all. The story, "The Girl Who Married the Python," teaches us important lessons. It shows that what truly counts is someone's kindness and goodness, not just how they look on the outside. It tells us to look at people's hearts and minds, not just their faces. The story also reminds us that promises are important and should be kept. It's a tale about how love, understanding, and seeing the best in others can bring happiness and change things for the better.